Hi, I'm Chris Daniel with Cincinnati Forge Tools. Welcome to our series of instructional videos on how to use our handmade hardy tools. Thanks for watching and let us know what you think. First up we have our striking plate, which we've created to save the face of your anvil from damage when you're punching or chiseling, fullering, things like that. It's made out of mild carbon steel. We've punched a square hole into the plate, put the shank through and plug welded it from the top, ground it nice and smooth, so it will hold up to a lot of damage for a very long time. You can use these in conjunction with your anvil course through the hardy hole with a swage block if you have one, or with a striking plate that has a hardy hole in it. We have 4 different shank sizes, 1 1/4, 1 inch, 7/8, and 3/4. And now we're going to show you how to use it. Okay, so we're going to be showing you how to use the chisel plate to save the face of your anvil if you're doing any chiseling, punching, things like that. We're going to do a couple different demos. As you can see, this is an older chisel plate. It's been beat up quite a bit. About 5 years old, so it holds up pretty well. First, I'm just going to show you using a rounding fuller. So we're trying to put an indentation into a piece of steel this narrow, which is 3/8. And what if you hit and you slipped? Hitting this hard, you may slip and put a dent in your anvil face. So the chisel plate actually prevents that from happening. I don't know if you can see that little dent there, but that's one use. Prevent a little damage. So you can see, even working close to the edge, I don't have to worry about that. If I slip off, again, I'm only going to be aiming the chisel plate a little bit. Now, if you run a school, though, be prepared for a lot of damage on your chisel plate. Just letting you know. Anyway. So again, our chisel plates are roughly 1/4 inch thick, most of them. They come in 4 different shank sizes. Again, we were using an older plate for this sample. Always remember they're going to be a little bit warm if you go to remove them. You can see over time it might bow a little bit, but again, it's still saving the face on your anvil. Alright, thanks for watching, and get ready for the next one.